Welcome to a brief presentation of the diverse methods for the extraction of essential oil. There are three methods for the extraction of essential oils being used today. Expression is probably the oldest of these methods and is used almost exclusively for the production of citrus oils. Hydrodistillation or steam distillation is the most commonly used of these methods. Last but not least is dry distillation, which is used rarely and in very special cases. High-pressure steam is the fastest way of distilling essential oils. The water boils between 88 degrees Celsius and 930 degrees Celsius, depending on the altitude of the distillation site. In water and steam distillation, water is placed under hot temperature to produce steam at no more than 100 degrees Celsius. In water and steam distillation, steam is blown into the mixture of water and plant material. A grid is used to protect the plant material from the heating element. The plant material is packed into a glass, copper, or stainless steel distillation flask. The steam loosens the volatile, non-polar constituents of the plant and they pass, with the steam, into a condenser that cools the mixture. The flask is rounded and as the volatile oils are released, they travel up and then down a vapor pipe exiting from the top. Then the condenser leads the vapor down the tube and leads the product through a tank of cold water down the coil into a receiving container. It is important to note that steam alters some of the components within an essential oil. Some of the polar components from the plants dissolve in the water, producing fluoride water. The mixture of fluoride water and essential oil come out together, but as they do not mix, they quickly separate. The majority of essential oils float above the fluoride water, but some sink to the bottom. Now, as you recall, we are discussing the three most common methods of essential oil distillation. Let's briefly discuss the expression method. In expression, only the peel of citrus plants is involved. Expression means the squeezing of the rinds of the citrus fruit, formerly done by hand. But now it is executed mechanically by scarification or compression. Basically, the peel of the fruit is racked or abraded by mechanical scrapers. Sometimes the whole fruit is crushed prior to the essential oil being separated from the juice and peel. Now let's talk about another method of distillation. Dry distillation. Dry distillation is mostly used for more expensive, low-yield means of extraction. Usually requires a large amount of biomaterial. These methods of extraction produce compounds many times used by the fragrance and cosmetics industry. Solvent extraction is a three-stage, very complex process requiring an expensive apparatus. Infrared, is a method that many use on fragile blossoms such as jasmine and is very rarely used today. Carbon dioxide is highly used in the flavor, perfume, and aromatherapy worlds. It does not involve heat or chemical solvents. This produces a concentrated and undistorted plant extract, with volatile oils in it, making it a subject of study for the future of aromatherapy. In summary, some of these methods produce essential oils, and other methods produce extracts. Essential oils are being used widely in many industries around the world, ranging from food, health, and perfume industries. Thank you for watching my presentation. I am a student of aromatherapy at the American College of Health Care Sciences. Thank you for your attention.